What is up, guys? Mike Valle here with affiliate marketing madeeasy.com, and in today's video I'm bringing you the video I anticipated last week, but not fully, if you understand what I mean. I promised you that I was going to bring you a 1 week after review on Kevin David's Facebook ads course. That is actually not going to happen, for the fact that Kevin David's Facebook ads course is so damn in depth. It has so much value inside of it, guys, that I cannot finish it in 1 week. But what I could get you guys is a 1 week update video. So in this video I will be giving you an update on Kevin David's Facebook ads course. So let's go ahead and let's get that started.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. I work hard.
Alright guys, have any of you guys ever taken any Facebook ads course before? I haven't exactly taken a Facebook ads course, but in this course he does go over an agency course. So he does go over how to start your own Facebook ads agency, similar to social media marketing agencies, but instead of doing all their social media, he goes in how to charge clients a $9.97 fee monthly and start a whole agency on just Facebook ads without having to do their Instagram, their YouTube, their Twitter, their LinkedIn, you know, all that other stuff. So I took a course about 2 years ago from Ty Lopez. It was a social media marketing agency course, and already this course on just Facebook ads over Ty Lopez's course is way different, and I would take Kevin David's course any day. Why? Because Ty Lopez's course was strictly all mindset. It was mainly Ty giving you mindset talks and how to like start things off, but Kevin David goes in depth. Kevin David actually has some scripts. He did some cold calling scripts. He lays it all down for you. In some of the modules that I watch, he actually, first of all, every video module comes with a PDF. So if you are not a video person, if you don't like to be watching a video for such a long time, you can actually print out these PDFs, and he has all this damn value. Like each PDF is like 15 pages. Now there's 6 modules. Just imagine that, how much value he's actually throwing in there. This guy goes in so much depth. So over that Ty Lopez's course, Kevin David for sure kills it when it comes to value. Value and the knowledge that you will actually get from this course is extremely helpful. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch it, because at the end I will be giving you guys a special offer just for you. First question: do you think you should invest into a Facebook ads course? Well, if you want to fast track your results in almost any field, as in Amazon FBA, Shopify, affiliate marketing, social media marketing agency, then I believe you should. Because yes, there's a lot of value on YouTube, a lot of videos on here that, you know, will give you details, but come on guys, these gurus will not give anything for free. That's just the truth. They're not as much. Trust me, I've spent so much time watching videos like day and night, and you will get value, but you will not get everything. And when they do these courses and they charge you $1,000, $1,200, $2,000 and all these prices, they're getting money to give you value, so they have to drop value, or if not, they're gonna get refunds. I mean, or they're gonna lose credibility. Remember that. Like, they can't give you a course that sucks, because their credibility is just gonna go down the wire, and they're not gonna make sales. They might have made sales for a limited time, but their brand will be tarnished. So first of all, you know, I believe you should invest into a course. That's my opinion. If you think otherwise, that's on you. But I have invested a lot of money into multiple courses, and I don't regret it, because I've learned so damn much. But this course right here, if you invest into it, it's gonna help you fast track your results in any field, guys. I'm gonna hit you with some examples. If you are taking this course and you are a Shopify person, now if you're selling on Shopify and you started your own store, but you cannot generate traffic, this Facebook ads course is for you, because through Facebook ads you will target these people. Let's say there's over 2 billion users on Facebook. Imagine how many people you can actually target. If some of you guys have ran ads and you haven't had any success, I wonder why, right? With this course, you're gonna learn exactly how to select your custom audience that you have in your own brand, target these specific people with specific interests, specific demographics. Teaches you the Facebook pixel, and that pixel will lock into their browser. Your face will be showing up in their search history all the time. They will get familiar with your brand. Like, this course outlines you step by step how to get that Facebook ad to be real successful at the successful rate. That's for Shopify. Same thing for Amazon. If you're an Amazon seller, it would work the exact same way. Affiliate marketing, very similar. If you have a product you want to promote, with this Facebook ads course, you will learn how to master these Facebook ads, and you will be able to either you're building a brand around that specific offer you're trying to promote, or not. If it's not a brand that you're trying to build and it's just an offer, I mean, with this ad course, you're gonna track conversions. You're gonna learn how to grow engagement, how to get the most worth for your dollars. You know, like, there's so much damn value I found in this course. Like, it's unbelievable, guys. I really wanted to give you like a full-on review this week, but it's just almost impossible. This course is so jam-packed. Like, Kevin David absolutely outdid himself. Like, if you ask me, I would go ahead and jump into this course right now, just like I did when I showed you guys my first video of actually taking the investment that I did, because the value, you're gonna get your ROI real soon in return. You know, your return on investment, you're gonna get your money back, like, no matter what. And there's zero risk. Why is there zero risk? Kevin David offers 15-day money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied in 15 days, he will return your money, guys. So like I said, I had a special offer for you guys. So first, down below in the description, also in the comment section, I'm gonna put a link to Kevin David's webinar. In this webinar, Kevin David explains this all in much more depth of what is actually inside his course, what you will find, all this value, and he goes into all these things. So check it out. Sign up to the webinar and check it out if you're not, you know, still convinced that this course is for you. If you are ready to actually take this course and jump in there and become financially successful at whatever business you are trying to work on, if you're ready for this, there's gonna be another link, guys, another link that will bypass that webinar, that will take you straight to his course, and with a special discount code, get it down right here, Blue Ninja. If you didn't hear that, Blue Ninja. That special code right there, guys, will get you 50% off on this course. 50% off. So that's a huge discount, huge discounted rate. And not only that, that's not the only thing I'm throwing in there. What I'm also throwing in there is, if you get this course under my links down below, whatever you do, if you want to get that webinar first and learn more about it, if you're ready to jump into the course and you end up jumping in, make sure to send me an email or a message or a comment down here, wherever, that you got the course under me, and I will offer you one-on-one help. Like, I know I'm only 1 week in, but I already drained in so much knowledge. I'm ready to explode, guys. But either way, I offer one-on-one help. I do have a lot of experience when it comes to Amazon FBA. I had products running back last year. If you watch another previous video, you'll see what happened to my account. Affiliate marketing is what I strictly focus on right now, and I've also had a lot of experience with social media marketing agency. So any of these things I can help you with. Get the course, send me a message. You will get one-on-one help, either messaging, or I would even do video conferences with you guys. Like, you know, I like to do video calls. You know, I've had a couple meetings, they all go well. So yeah, guys, if you're ready to commit, go ahead, click on the descriptions, you'll find the links. And yeah, man, let's kill it. Let's win this. Like, let's start it. I can't wait to bring you guys that full review next week. Give me another week, and I'll get you guys that review that you've been waiting for. So thanks for watching. This was Mike Valle with Affiliate Marketing MadeEasy.com. Till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be bringing you back videos pronto, ASAP. Thanks for watching. Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day, yeah, yeah, yeah.